Hey YouTube, I'm Kristen with Driven to Solutions, and today we're talking about something a lot of homeowners don't realize. Sometimes a traditional realtor isn't enough. Whether you're selling an inherited home, downsizing, or just need a faster, simpler sale, there's a middle ground called hybrid real estate solutions. So let's break it down. Realtors handle the marketing, showings, negotiations, and paperwork for your home. They're great for move-in ready houses in hot markets, but their approach isn't always ideal for every situation. Some challenges homeowners face with just a realtor include long timelines for listing and closing, costly repairs or staging demands, limited options for cash or off-market sales, stressful multiple showings and open houses. And this is where hybrid solutions come in Driven to Solutions. A hybrid solution combines the benefits of working with a realtor and selling directly to investors or cash buyers. It lets you skip costly repairs by selling as is, control the timeline for your sale, avoid multiple showings and open houses, and get professional guidance without being locked into a traditional path. Think of it as the best of both worlds. Hybrid solutions are perfect for seniors, downsizing, or relocating. They have an emergency situation. They've ended up in the hospital and they can't go back home. And now they need to move into a senior living community. And how are they going to pay for it? The home is the quickest way. Usually it's dated, but buying with this hybrid solution can get you cash quick. Families handling inherited properties. Sometimes you lose a loved one and you have an unexpected property on your hands that you weren't planning to take care of in addition to your already busy life. You may have to go through probate and you could have to deal with multiple heirs or family members in a situation that could make it really stressful. Selling in this situation could be quick even if the probate is not complete, and it could give you the cash needed to settle the estate and or to get this inherited property off of your hands sooner. Homeowners needing a fast private sale. There could be situations of divorce or financial hardship that you want to sell quickly without all the hassle. People who want flexibility but still need guidance. It's about tailoring the process to your unique needs. And that's exactly what we do here at Driven to Solutions. In our process, we will evaluate your home's condition and goals, determine if an as-is sale or a listing is best. We will connect you with a professional, such as myself, who can navigate both options. Choose the route that saves you time, stress, and money. You don't have to sacrifice guidance or speed. You can have both. Remember, realtors are great. I am one, but not always enough. Hybrid solutions give flexibility, speed, and control. Every home and family is different, so choose what works for your situation. The right approach ensures your sale is smooth, fair, and stress-free. And if you're wondering whether a traditional realtor, a cash sale, or a hybrid solution is best for your home, I can help guide you. I'm Kristen with Driven to Solutions. Here, you make your sale simplified, dignified, and stress-free. Like, comment, and subscribe for more insider real estate advice.